With a student life like no other, ranging from counseling to clubs to the College and Career Center, you are guaranteed to find something here at PV High that brings you home.
ASB stands for the Associated Student Body. We put on anything that is spirit, fun, activity based. It comes through ASB.
As a freshman when I came into ASB, I didn't have a lot of friends actually, but joining ASB, I met so many people.
I think this is the best high school in the country, and I feel like if ASB can make everyone feel that same way, then we're doing their job.
Be the Change is a leadership organization that focuses on campus culture, so that's everything from inclusion to kindness.
So Be the Change does Yellow Ribbon Week, we do Red Ribbon Week, we do Wellness Week. We also have a Remember the Tritons Walk.
As a freshman, I didn't know anyone and there were seniors in the class, and I was so excited to just be able to interact with everyone.
I love seeing freshmen learn from the upperclassmen.
It was just a great way to meet so many amazing people.
Red Tide is what we call our student section here at PV, and that's basically the crowd at the games.
I love the energy on like football and game days. That's like the most fun part.
Those moments during the games when you feel the entire crowd behind you, and it's really powerful, and it's nice to see the school come together and really support our athletes. It's really heartwarming.
Yeah, we have a really robust and comprehensive athletic program at PV. We offer over 26 different varsity programs, and we've had success at the local, sectional, and state level in many of our programs.
Coaches we have here, they push me every single day to be my best.
Has shaped me into the person I am today.
Our students really have the opportunity to pursue athletics to whatever level they want.
I play baseball at UCLA.
I was on the track team at Stanford, and I was a multiple-time All-American.
I believe that PV just had to overcome adversity and handle failure.
Link Crew is a freshman transition program that is designed to welcome new students into high school life, to lessen that anxiety that often comes with the first day of school for freshmen.
And we like to make sure that everyone's comfortable and happy with their new spot, because it's a big transition from middle school to high school.
We have a really robust counseling program. The idea being that we really want to get to know our students.
Counselors are available to help students in crisis from themselves, assist with stress management, time management, self-advocacy, and study personal growth throughout high school.
We are the one-stop shop, I guess, for all the things you might need at PV High the whole time that you're here.
My name is Jen. I'm an associate marriage and family therapist. My main goal would be to provide support and a safe space for all kids to be seen and heard, and help any student that is needing help with any social or emotional issues.
The College and Career Center is one of the best resources on our Palos Verdes High School campus, simply because of the colleges that come and go, the incredible speakers we have, the vast amount of information that both myself and Mrs. Hoffman can provide directly to our students.
I think it's really cool that there's so many different clubs that you can join for all the interests that people have. So I think there's just really something for everyone here.
So whether your future starts with BTC, athletics, or both, it all starts right here. Palos Verdes High School, I'm Daisy Warner.